What if I told you that Škoda just made one of the most loved sedans even better? Sharper looks, smarter features, and the same fun-to-drive DNA. This is the Škoda Slavia Facelift, and today we'll find out if it still rules the mid-size sedan segment. Škoda hasn't reinvented the Slavia. Instead, they've refined it. Up front, you get a reworked butterfly grille, now more aggressive and premium. The LED headlamps are sharper, with updated DRL signatures that give the car a more modern road presence. Move to the sides, and the clean sedan profile remains. But new diamond-cut alloy wheels add a fresh touch of elegance. At the rear, subtle tweaks to the LED tail lamps and a reprofiled bumper complete the facelift look. It's a design that's both elegant and sporty, and unmistakably Škoda. It has a testament to the idea that you need a revolution when a smart evolution does the job so well. The car just looks more expensive, more policed, and more ready to take on its rivals. The small changes add up to create a big impact, making the Slavia feel more contemporary than ever before. It's a handsome machine from every angle. Step inside, and this is where the facelift really shines. The cabin now feels significantly more premium, thanks to improved materials and new, sophisticated color themes. The overall dashboard layout stays familiar, which is a good thing because it was already user-friendly. But it now gets updated trims and better soft-touch elements on key touchpoints. You still get all the features that made the Slavia so popular. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system right in the center, which is crisp and responsive. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster, which you can customize to show the information you need. And of course, seamless connectivity with wireless Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto is standard. One of the segment's favorite features, the ventilated front seats, makes a welcome return a lifesaver. In hot climates, ambient lighting adds to the premium atmosphere, letting you set the mood for your drive, and wireless charging ensures your devices are always topped up. But perhaps the Slavia's strongest point remains its rear seat space. There's an abundance of legroom and headroom, making it incredibly comfortable for passengers on long journeys. It's a cabin that's not just about tech and style, but genuine practicality and comfort. Under the hood, the Slavia facelift continues with its proven and potent powertrains, offering something for everyone. First up is the 1.0-liter TSI turbo petrol engine. This is a brilliant all-rounder, smooth, incredibly efficient, and perfect for the daily city commute, but with enough punch to make highway driving enjoyable. Then you have the enthusiast's choice, the 1.5-liter TSI turbo petrol. This engine is all about performance. It's powerful, incredibly fun, and surprisingly refined for the punch it packs. The highlight of the 1.5 TSI is its active cylinder deactivation technology. This clever system shuts down 2 of the 4 cylinders when you're just cruising, which means you get fantastic fuel efficiency without ever sacrificing the performance that's available on tap. Whether you pair these engines with the slick manual gearbox or the lightning-fast automatic the Slavia remains one of the absolute best drive-in sedans in its class. It offers a perfect balance of comfort and dynamic handling that's hard to find elsewhere. Safety has always been a cornerstone for Škoda, and the Slavia facelift is no exception. It comes comprehensively equipped to protect you and your loved ones. You get multiple airbags placed strategically throughout the cabin, electronic stability control to help you maintain control in tricky situations, and hill hold assist, which prevents the car from rolling back on an incline. A rear parking camera and sensors make maneuvering in tight spots a breeze. But beyond the list of features, what really instills confidence is the strong European build quality that Škoda is renowned for. The solid thud of the doors and the robust construction make you feel secure and well protected. Škoda continues to prioritize not just passive safety features, but also the active safety feel that gives the driver total confidence on the road. So, how does it stack up against the competition? The Škoda Slavia facelift is expected to be competitively priced, putting it right in the ring with major rivals like the Honda City, the Hyundai Verna, and its own sibling, the Volkswagen Virtus. Each of these cars has its strengths. The City is known for its reliability and comfort, while the Verna packs a ton of features and bold styling. But where the Slavia truly stands out and carves its own niche is with its distinct European driving feel. The premium and spacious interior, and the thrilling performance delivered by its turbo petrol engines. It offers a blend of sophistication and driver engagement that feels a class above, making it a very compelling choice for those who want more than just a means of transportation. So, should you buy the new Škoda Slavia Facelift? Let's break it down. If you're looking for a sedan that is genuinely stylish and turns heads, this is it. If you're an enthusiast who craves a fun-to-drive experience with powerful and responsive engines, the Slavia delivers. If you value a premium interior that feels special every time you get in, you won't be disappointed. And if you need excellent ride comfort for both city driving and long highway trips, the Slavia. If you said yes to these points, then absolutely the Slavia Facelift continues to be one of the best, most well-rounded sedans you can buy today. It has taken a winning formula and made it even better. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Škoda Slavia, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more content on the latest and greatest cars. And I want to hear from you. Comment below and let me know. Would you choose the Slavia Facelift over a similarly priced SUV? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.